download and install Android Studio on your window, just open your browser and write Android Studio download. Android Studio download. You will see this first link, click on it. And this is the link,
and I will send
you can
this
click on
link
it and downloading
on
will start.
description. You can just
I have
click
already
on it
downloaded
and
this
click
software
on the download page. I will just go on my folder and click on it. Click on next. You just click on next again, and this is a directory. Just click next. Do not create shortcut. If you want create shortcut, uncheck this and install. And the installation has completed. Then click on next. If you want to start Android Studio, check this. If you don't want to start this Android Studio, uncheck this and click this finish. Click on OK. And click on don't send. If you will see this pop-up screen, then click on don't send. This is your Android Studio setup. You just click on next. If you want to customize or standard, if you are a beginner, then check on standard and click on next. You can select Dracula theme or light theme. I like Dracula theme and click on next. And next. These are the few current settings. Just click on finish. It all depends on your internet speed. And your downloading has completed, so click on finish. And congrats, your installation of Android Studio has completed. And in my next video we will learn that how to create a new project on Android Studio. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel or like this video.